Hi everyone, I'm Jiang. I'm originally from northern China, and now I live in Shanghai. I woke up pretty late today, almost noon. On my days off, if I don't have anything important planned for the next day, I usually just let myself sleep in. I don't really have any big plans today. I just need to take care of a few things I recently bought and enjoy a regular day off. First things first, though, time for lunch. There's a small river right next to the apartment where I live. It's a peaceful area, and in the evenings you'll usually see lots of local residents walking along the river. When it's my first meal of the day, I always want something hot. That's why I come here for noodles quite often. This Lanzhou noodle restaurant is one of my regular spots. The food is good, and it's affordable. After lunch, I stopped by the market to pick up a few things for dinner so I wouldn't have to come back out later.
切点炒菜用的五花肉。
看你要哪一块？你看要粗一点还是瘦的？
倒不用特别多，可以。这种小一点的一般就行。能切一下吗？可以。谢谢。
那老板，这鸡蛋也是我的。
对，称了啊。
好，里面有个辣椒。再来半个西瓜吧。
小辣，刺黄瓜，请出示付款码。收银宝到账35.4元。
I bought some cucumbers, pork, steamed buns, and half a watermelon. Altogether it cost 35 yuans, which is about $5. Now it's time to pick up some of the things I ordered online.
小哥，6-1-5105，113。
出库成功，是你的包裹。出库成功，已全部取出。
好，动车。
Right on time, my bottled water delivery arrived too. I drink a lot more water during the summer, so I usually keep several large bottles at home. Recently, it's been the 618 shopping festival in China. Every year around this time, many products go on sale. It's somewhat similar to Black Friday in other countries. This year, though, I didn't buy very much. As for clothes, I only bought 2 t-shirts this year. Both of them are plain black, with no logos and no designs. Not because black is especially fashionable, but because it requires zero thought. These shirts were cheap too, about $3.5 each. My bedsheets have been with me for quite a while. They're still usable, but the color has faded noticeably. Since everything was on sale, I decided it was finally time to replace them. I've noticed that as I get older, I tend to prefer simpler things. Just like my t-shirts, no patterns, no bright colors. If it feels comfortable, that's enough. The keyboard was the only piece of tech I bought during this shopping festival. It has a few extra programmable keys compared to my current keyboard. I thought they might help improve my workflow, so I decided to give it a try. So far, it looks pretty good. There aren't many things I enjoy more than sitting in my room, eating watermelon, and watching videos. There's one more thing I've been thinking about for days. Should I buy a new phone or not? I've actually been looking at prices on different shopping apps since yesterday. What finally pushed me to make the decision wasn't the phone itself. It was the delivery time. One app promised delivery within an hour. To be honest, I was curious whether it could really pull that off. So I decided to give it a try. I ordered an iPhone 17. I completed the payment at 4:46 p.m. The app says it should arrive by 5:55.
是你的吗？
是我的手机是吧？
6419。
是我们看那边就是2017、2021。
因为我也录的录音室，
啊，
这个确保安全。
对，
这个多少钱一个？是不是他们戴在头上那种啊？
对。
哦。
我直接撕开。
对。嗯。
The courier arrived at 5:57. Pretty impressive.
下面。今天最后一天了吧？应该668。
啊，本来想
明天的话，估计要肯定，明天应该还便宜点，应该明天还有一天吧，应该。真不知道。
Have you ever had that feeling?
对呀，你这个
The excitement of buying something you've wanted and getting it almost immediately. That's exactly what I'm feeling right
无用采集
now.
可以啊，无用采集啊。应该
This is my first time trying this kind of same-city delivery service.
这么便宜嘛？
拿到了，拿到了。
The new phone is noticeably smaller than my old one. My little finger has officially decided that large phones are no longer welcome. There's one more thing I need to do. After transferring all my data, I'm going to send my old phone to my parents. In China, it's very common for parents to keep using phones that their children have upgraded from. In fact, the phones my parents use now were once mine. They're no longer new, but they still have plenty of life left in them. I'm scheduling a pickup through a courier service. In most cases, someone arrives within an hour.
229快递。
好，就一个手机，然后麻烦你帮我包一下。
好，OK。
好，一会儿账单退给我就可以。
好的。
好，谢谢谢谢。
啊，不用客气，不用客气。
After everything was done, it was finally time to make dinner. China is a large country, and eating habits vary a lot from region to region. I'm from northern China, so I actually prefer steamed buns over rice. The meal I make at home may not look as nice as something from a restaurant, but after a busy day, sitting down with a hot meal you've cooked yourself always feels satisfying. Today started as a very ordinary day off, but looking back, quite a few things happened. I bought a new phone, changed my bed sheets, picked up packages, and cooked dinner. Life is usually like that. Many days seem completely ordinary while we're living them. But later on, those ordinary days often become memories. I'm Jiang. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. I'll see you in the next video.